So I just wanted to cover this tune. If you're new to my channel, normally I do like a green screen style video, but once in a while I do just a video like this where I'm just kind of hanging in the studio and I got my computer right here so that I can just kind of play along a little bit. So if you're new, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you're a Ninja watcher, hit the like and subscribe button as well. Help me out with the algorithm. And let's get into this. So this is just 3 chords the whole time. So you got to play some bar chords. Now I'll show you a little trick with bar chords. If you're just hating it, you don't want to play bar chords, I can show you a couple ways around it. So we're gonna bar across the high E through the A on the 3rd fret. And what I do when I'm playing a bar chord is you basically want your index finger right up on top of that fret. You want it like right up against the 3rd fret, kind of overlapping the fret a little bit, so it's just right up against it. That gives you the most leverage, so that when you strum, you're not getting the buzz. Because if you're way back here in the fret, if you're closer back to the 2nd fret, it's going to be harder to press that down hard enough to get the strings to not buzz. You know what I'm saying? So the closer you are up to that 3rd fret, that's going to be easier for you to play a bar chord. So index finger bars across 3rd fret of the high E through the A, middle finger sets down 4th fret of B, ring finger 5th fret of D, pinky 5th fret of G. And this chord, you focus your strum from the A string down. So all we're doing on that first chord is 3 down strums. All right, and then what you're gonna do is we're gonna play an A flat major 7. So you leave your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky where they are, and then you set your index finger down here on the 4th fret of the low E string. Now the tough thing about major 7 chords is that you have to mute out the A string with the bottom of your index finger, I'd say. And then if you can, maybe mute out the high E string with one of your other fingers, or like the fat part of your index finger down here. So the A string and the high E string should be muted out so that you can strum and you're getting, all right. Now the strum pattern, going back to that C minor chord, we have to switch at kind of a precarious time. So we're gonna go down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So a little slower. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So we're switching on the up strum right after the 3rd down strum. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. One more time, a little slower. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Then we got to play G minor bar chord. Now same concept applies. Index finger is going to bar across the high E through the low E in the 3rd fret. And again, you want to sneak that finger right up next to that 3rd fret. Okay, if it's back here, forget about it. You're going to get all kinds of buzz and stuff. You want it to be right up, just overlapping pretty much. So that's something to just kind of like experiment with. Move your index finger around a little bit. Try to find a place where you're getting the least amount of buzz. And then ring finger, 5th fret of the A, pinky 5th fret of the D. Okay, so that's the 3rd chord in the progression. And the 4th chord is just going back to the A flat major 7. So all together, we've got. So notice going from the G minor, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. We're doing the same transition that we did from the C minor to the A flat major 7. You got to switch on that up strum. So all together we got. So you could throw a capo on your 3rd fret, and then you're going to play an A minor shape. Index finger 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of D, ring finger 2nd fret of G. And again, down, down, down. Now, right here, if you can reach your thumb over the top and grab that 1st fret of the low E, what that's going to do is give you that A flat major 7 voicing. And if high E is ringing open at 3rd fret of the capo, that sounds all right. So you got. Then you're going to go to E minor. You could leave your middle finger where it is on the 2nd fret of the D, jump your index finger up to 2nd fret of the A. Go back to that A minor shape with thumb over the top. Let's see if you can't get that thumb over the top. I wonder what that sounds like. Nah, that doesn't sound good. You could probably just play an F chord, F-shaped chord. So you would just play your A minor, and then you'd switch to an F chord, F major 7. So index finger stays where it is, 1st fret of the B, middle finger sets down, 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret of the A, pinky 3rd fret of the D, and you kind of mute out the A or the low E if you can, or focus your strum from the A string down. So you'd be like. Then you go to E minor. See how that sounds. I think it sounds all right, but I think that sounds better. I think it sounds better. It sounds better to get that A flat major 7 if you can, rather than the F. But it's up to you. It's also kind of like, what can you do? And just play whatever's most comfortable for you. So if this lesson was helpful for you, please go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.